Hello everyone, it's Dmitry, and it is time to present you our brand new professional sharpening set, Knife Brothers, for those of you who want to be always on top level of professional sharpening. The whole set is supplied in a wooden box with the logo of Knife Brothers, and we also have a patch that has the logo of our company, TSPROF. Inside the box you'll find a foam lodgement that protects all items during shipment and storage. The set includes professional sharpening system K03 Pro with integrated digital angle finder and the custom base from Knife Brothers. System is equipped with clamps TSPROF Quick that will help you to clamp any knife without a screwdriver. In addition, system is equipped with milled fillet clamps TSPROF Cadet that will be very functional for sharpening of thin knives for small angles. Using L attachments from this set, you'll be able to combine them with Cadet clamps and position them at the center of the frame. Otherwise, you'll be able to combine TSPROF Quick clamps with Cadet clamps and create several support points for your knife. Also, these attachments will help you to position your clamps at both ends of the frame, so you'll be able to clamp an extra long knife. Set also includes small universal table with which you'll be able to sharpen scissors, chisels and other cutting tools with sharpening angle more than 45 degrees. For the hinge unit, there is a polyacetal bushing in this set that will help the shaft run smooth and silent. A set of stones TSPROF Alpha is stored inside our branded plastic case. Inside the case there are 7 resin-bonded stones TSPROF Alpha with gritness from 125 to 2/1. Set of 5 hex screwdrivers from 1.5 mm to 4 mm. 2 meters of paracord, branded TSPROF brass bead, and a custom handle made of crazy fiber micarta. You can purchase this custom set on our website TSPROF. Follow the link down below and leave your comments. See you next time!